In the last decade, over 95% of new vehicles have switched from traditional throttle cables to advanced drive-by-wire systems. Instead of a simple mechanical connection, your accelerator pedal now talks to your engine through a small but mighty device called the Accelerator Pedal Position sensor. Today, we're zoning in on this critical sensor that's crucial for your safety and engine's performance. What is the Accelerator Pedal Position sensor? The Accelerator Pedal Position sensor is a compact electronic component typically mounted on or near the accelerator pedal assembly. It contains internal circuits and sensors that detect the position and movement of the pedal. Built with precision electronics, it often includes one or more variable resistors, magnetic sensors, or Hall effect sensors inside a sealed housing designed to resist dust, moisture, and vibration. Most designs feature a multi-pin connector for electrical communication with the vehicle's control modules. What does the pedal position sensor do? The accelerator pedal position sensor measures how far the accelerator pedal is pressed and sends that information to the vehicle's engine control unit, ECU. The ECU uses this data to adjust the throttle opening and control both engine power and fuel delivery, ensuring the right amount of air and fuel are supplied based on how much you want to accelerate. But here's the kicker. When the accelerator pedal position sensor starts to fail, it might send inaccurate signal to your engine control unit, causing the engine to struggle to run properly or not run at all. Stick with me until the end to learn all the symptoms of a failing APP sensor and what to do. 1. Unresponsive acceleration. You press the pedal, but nothing happens, or there's a noticeable delay. An unresponsive accelerator is one of the most obvious signs of a failing pedal position sensor. The engine control unit, ECU, depends on precise readings from the sensor. If the signal is weak, erratic, or missing, the engine struggles to respond appropriately. In many cases, you might experience sudden hesitation before the car finally accelerates. This isn't just annoying, it can also be dangerous, especially when overtaking, merging into traffic, or crossing intersections. Always take delayed pedal response seriously. 2. Check engine light coming on. When something goes wrong electronically, the car's first line of defense is triggering the check engine light. A bad accelerator pedal position sensor often throws a code, alerting you that something isn't right under the hood. The specific trouble codes related to the APP sensor usually are P0120, throttle pedal position sensor, A circuit malfunction, P0122, low voltage input, P0123, high voltage input. Even if the car seems drivable, ignoring the warning light could lead to more expensive repairs down the road. Always check the codes with an OBD2 scanner. I have left a link to my favorite model in the video description below. It's affordable, reliable, and perfect for DIY diagnostics like this. 3. No throttle response at all. In severe cases, the accelerator pedal may completely stop working. No matter how hard you press, the car doesn't move or only revs weakly in neutral, creating a potentially dangerous situation, especially in traffic or on highways. Complete failure usually means the sensor is either dead or its wiring has failed. This is an urgent problem that can leave you stranded, so it's important to have the car inspected immediately if you experience zero throttle response. 4. Car goes into limp mode. Modern vehicles are equipped with protective features that activate when something critical fails. One such response is limp mode, triggered if the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor fails severely. Limp mode is designed to limit engine power, throttle response, and speed to reduce the risk of further mechanical or electronic damage. In limp mode, your car might not go faster than 20 to 30 miles per hour, and engine power will feel extremely limited. The throttle feels sluggish or almost unresponsive, and transmission shifts may also be restricted to protect the drivetrain. It's your vehicle's way of telling you that something is seriously wrong and needs immediate attention. 5. Cruise control not working. Since cruise control relies on the APP sensor to maintain speed, a faulty sensor can disable the system entirely. You might press the set button, but the car won't hold speed because the ECU can't trust the pedal position data. Some vehicles may even flash a warning like cruise control disabled when the APP sensor fails. If your cruise control suddenly stops working, this sensor could be the reason. If you're finding this video helpful so far, smash that thumbs up button and hit subscribe. We've got tons more symptoms and fixes to keep your car running stronger, smoother, and longer. 6. Poor fuel economy. Since the APP sensor helps control fuel delivery, a bad sensor can cause your engine to burn more fuel than necessary. When the sensor provides faulty information, your ECU might think you're asking for more power than you are, leading to excess fuel injection. More fuel consumption means you'll visit the gas station more often and spend more money. Poor sensor feedback can trick your car into running rich even when it's not necessary, hurting both your wallet and the environment. 7. Jerky acceleration. Smooth and steady acceleration is what we expect when driving. But a faulty pedal position sensor can cause your car to surge or jerk without warning. Instead of a linear increase in speed, the car may speed up in bursts, even with consistent pedal pressure. This happens because the sensor's voltage output is inconsistent, sending confusing signals to the ECU. The computer tries to interpret the wrong data, resulting in sudden engine power changes. It can feel like your car is lurching forward unpredictably. 8. Engine stalling. A bad accelerator pedal sensor can cause your engine to stall unexpectedly. Because the sensor helps regulate the air-fuel mixture via throttle input, incorrect readings can cause the engine to misfire or lose power completely. Sometimes, the engine might stall right after you press the gas pedal or while idling. This behavior is not only frustrating, but can leave you stranded if it happens at the wrong time. If you notice random stalls, the pedal sensor could be the hidden culprit. 9. Rough idling. When the accelerator pedal position sensor starts to fail, rough idling is a common side effect. You might notice the engine shaking or fluctuating when the car is stationary, such as at stoplights or in traffic. This happens because the ECU is receiving incorrect or inconsistent signals about throttle position, causing an unstable air-fuel mixture at idle. Rough idling may worsen over time and can lead to stalling if left unaddressed. How to test the accelerator pedal position sensor? Method 1. Using a multimeter. 1. Turn off the ignition and locate the accelerator pedal sensor connector. 2. Disconnect the sensor harness. 3. Set your multimeter to DC voltage. 4. Identify the sensor signal and ground wires using a wiring diagram. 5. Connect the multimeter's black lead to the ground wire and the red lead to the signal wire. 6. Turn the ignition switch to the on position. Don't start the engine. 7. Slowly press the pedal and monitor the voltage. It should increase smoothly from about 0.5 volts to about 4.5 volts. Any sudden jumps, drops, or inconsistent readings indicate a faulty sensor. Method 2. Using an OBD2 scanner. Using the OBD scanner, you will check for the live data and error codes. Below is the step-by-step process. 1. Plug the OBD2 scanner into your vehicle's diagnostic port. 2. Turn the ignition on without starting the engine. 3. Scan for trouble codes. The common APS-related trouble codes are P0120, P0122, P0123. 4. Access the throttle or accelerator pedal position live data stream. 5. gradually press the accelerator pedal while observing the data. The percentage value should increase smoothly from 0% to 100%. Jerky or inconsistent changes suggest a problem with the sensor. Method 3, swap test. This method requires that you have a known good replacement APS sensor with the same part number as the suspected faulty sensor. Follow the simple process below. 1. Disconnect the battery as a safety precaution. 2. Remove the old APS by detaching any mounting bolts. 3. Install the new sensor and reconnect the wiring. 4. Reconnect the battery and start the engine. 5. Test drive. If symptoms disappear, the old sensor was bad. How to fix an accelerator pedal position sensor. Fixing a bad accelerator pedal position sensor usually means replacing it. In most cars, the sensor is integrated with the pedal assembly, making it easier to replace both together. Step 1. As a safety precaution, disconnect the negative battery terminal to eliminate any risk of electrical shorts or accidental deployment of electronic components. Step 2. Carefully remove the sensor connector by pressing its release tab and detach any mounting bolts, usually 2 or 3, that are securing the pedal assembly in place. Step 3. Install the new accelerator pedal position sensor by aligning it correctly and securing it firmly with the appropriate bolts, ensuring it matches your vehicle's specifications. Step 4. Reconnect the sensor's wiring harness securely and then reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore electrical power to the vehicle. Step 5. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear any stored error codes in the system, ensuring the vehicle's computer recognizes the new sensor. Step 6. Perform a thorough test drive, monitoring the vehicle's throttle response and overall behavior to confirm that the symptoms have disappeared and that the new sensor is functioning properly. How much does it cost to replace accelerator pedal position sensor? The cost to replace an accelerator pedal position sensor typically ranges from $100 to $300. Parts alone usually cost between $50 and $150, depending on the vehicle make and model. Labor costs add an additional $80 to $150, depending on your location and the shop's hourly rate. In many cases, because the sensor is often integrated with the pedal assembly, you may need to replace the entire unit, which can slightly increase the price. How long does it take to replace an accelerator pedal position sensor? Replacing an accelerator pedal position sensor at a mechanic's shop typically takes about 1 to 2 hours. The exact time can vary depending on the vehicle's make, model, and how accessible the sensor is, but a qualified mechanic can usually complete the job within that time frame without major complications. We've just covered the symptoms of a bad accelerator pedal position sensor, the error codes, and how to test the sensor properly. To keep your car running smoothly and avoid unexpected breakdowns, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss our next video.